My name is Mike Dvorak. I work for Anderson Crane in Litchfield, Minnesota. My position here at Anderson Crane is as a draftsman. I also now am in charge and responsible for programming the new mill. I do a lot of things, but my main function, I guess, is as a draftsman. 90% of what we do would be screw conveyors, and we do bucket elevators as well, but our big thing is material handling equipment. We were looking at getting an older Haas machine and maybe looking at updating it, but when the ownership saw this machine and for the price it was, they just told us to go with the newer one. For us just to move forward so we don't have to rely on other places and waste valuable time waiting for parts. And I think the biggest thing with the TRM was that, I mean, it was user friendly, but we didn't have to worry about updating anything. Tolerances are much tighter. We don't have, like I said, we don't have to worry about grinding out holes to make bolts fit. Everything lines up just the way it should, and been very happy with it. I would say on an average shaft for drilling, if it's, let's say, 2 holes in it, I bet we're a third of the time. And I know that as time goes on and we get better tooling, it's just going to get faster. The doors are great because we also, instead of just having the standard bed, we put a bigger bed on, a longer bed on it out of 1.25 inch plate. That way we got more room with our tailstock. So yes, having the doors be removable has been a big help because it gives us that more room to work with. Plus, once we start doing augers, the pipes will be sticking out. So if we didn't have that feature, we couldn't do, half of what we want to do with it.